how to search informative videos using Perplexity AI.
In order to do that, you need to head over and search in here for something that you want to see a video into. So for example, let's say something like, why does polar bear going extinct? So let's say something like that and then search for this or click on this arrow button in order to see the reason for that. So you can head over and then read it. But if you're actually a visual learner and you learn more through images and videos, you can head over and click on this search videos that we have right here. Now on this videos, you can see some BBC News videos, which are actually reliable because there are news outlet on the States. You can see in here some other videos, for example, this one and this one. So when you head over and click on which one of them, you'll be redirected to that particular page. So you will be able to watch why the polar bears are going extinct.
So that's how you search informative videos using Perplexity AI. Hope we helped.